Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this 3-step infographic in PowerPoint using morph transition in just 4 minutes. Plus you can get this template for free. Ask for the link in the comments and I'll give you the link in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide in PowerPoint and go to shapes and insert a one-corner rectangle. We're gonna remove this outline, duplicate it, and for this one we're gonna use a darker shade for the same color that we are gonna use for the second shade. Make sure that the below one has a darker shade and the upper one has a lighter shade. So we can do that for more colors option. Put them on top of each other like this, but make sure that there is some bottom part that isn't covered. Next we're gonna add a circle, but you have to make it fill a white. Then you're gonna duplicate the shape and we're gonna make it a bit smaller and then change its fill to pink as well, the same color as the previous rectangle. Then we're just gonna change its fill. Then we're gonna type our text, whatever the text you're gonna use, just type it in, increase its size. Then what you're gonna do is that you have to change its font, change its color to white and increase its size. Then we're gonna go for the content text. You're gonna type down your content text, whatever the text you wanna use. Then what we're gonna do is insert this rectangle with rounded corners. Then you're gonna change its fill to white, but for the background we're gonna change its fill to a bit gray so that we can extinguish other colors. Then we're gonna insert a rectangle here, which we have to change the color to white as well. Then we're gonna change the content text. Let me just type it here. Then we're gonna insert a rhombus right here. For this rhombus we're gonna give it a gradient of black. For the upper black we're gonna give it 50% transparency. For the lower black we're gonna give it 100% transparency, which makes it appear like a shadow. So let's just move it above a bit so that we can make the shape appear shadowful. Then what we're gonna do is just insert your content tag, decrease its size and remove some parts. Then change its color to gray, which matches the best with black. Then we're going to duplicate it and make 2 more copies of it, the same shape. The next thing we have to do is change the colors. So I'm going to do it quickly so that we do not waste time. The next thing we have to do is insert this outline, which we have to turn into a half circle. Then we're going to give it an outline fill, increase its weight and put it onto the left side, decrease its size a bit. Go to format shape, go to line, go to end type. We're gonna choose round for it, which gives it rounded corners. Then we're gonna type our title, whatever the title you wanna use. So I'm gonna go with the infographic as a title, but we're gonna write it in a stylish way. So I'm gonna duplicate that same text box and put both of the text half by half in separate text boxes. Next we're gonna insert a top line right here, and for this we're gonna also give it a rounded end. So let's go to format shape again. After doing that, what you have to do is give a italic shape to the second text box in the heading. Then what you're gonna do is add your content text. Make sure that it is the same size as the title text. Then what you're gonna do is just give it some space because text looks much better than with space. So we're just gonna change this fill to black and give it left alignment. Now it's time to give morph transition. Duplicate your same slide. We're gonna go to the first slide and move everything out of the slide. For the text boxes and the title, we're gonna move them to the left. Then for this line we're gonna first rotate it and then we're gonna move it out. For the other shapes we're gonna use shift key to move them out, but one by one give them this order. Then we're gonna select both of our templates, give them morph transition. So yeah, this is the final result of a neat infographic. You can ask for this free infographic template in the comments below and I'll share the link with all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.